I have the full spoilers for the January 2024 Minted Box, a beauty subscription that sends products from luxury brands. The theme is Restore and Renew Edit. It is $95 per month. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Reset your skin with powerful anti-aging formulas and hydration heroes. This edit is packed with tantalizing ingredients blended to repair, restore, and renew your skin. This month's box will include Then I Met You Living Balm Cleanser, Zellen's Vitamin Power D, Murad Intense Recovery Cream, Votary Radiance Reveal Mask. So cleanse skin with the Then I Met You Living Balm Cleanser, a luxurious lightweight formula packed with nourishing antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and nourishing plant oils to melt away impurities, soothe, brighten, and leave the skin with a youthful glow. Repair and strengthen the skin barrier, encourage elasticity, and moisturize and protect the skin against environmental aggressors with Zealand's Power D, a fortifying and restoring formation that combines vitamin D, plant derivatives, fatty acid, and plant oils to strengthen and protect. Reveal gorgeous hydrated skin with Murad's Intense Recovery Cream, clinically proven to comfort skin and reduce signs of stress-induced aging and redness, containing microalgae extract to smooth the stress lines, facial tensions, and shea butter, and macadamia oil to deeply nourish and moisturize dehydrated skin. Reveal Ultimate Radiance with Votary's Radiance Recovery Mask, a highly active resurfacing mask with a powerhouse duo of malic acid and lactic acid. This formulation gently exfoliates the skin, improves texture, decongests pores, and prevents breakouts. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.